Namaste. Prepare yourself. Stanga opening mantra. Samastiti. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nisreyase Jangalika Yamane Sansara Hala Hala Moha Santi Avahu Pusakaram Sankhya Chakra Siddharinam Sahasra Sirsam Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Trini inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale, head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set, exhale. One, two, three, four, five. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini head up. Chatwari jump back. Pancha inhale. Set, exhale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saptajam inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, 3 kneel head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Saptajam inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, 3 kneel head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Saptajam inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, Samastiti. Sunset is B. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, 3 inhale, head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Sapta right leg hands up, inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa inhale, left leg hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasa exhale, hold, don't move. Look your navel, once again 5 breathing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, jump forward. Sodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, hands up, look your thumb. Samastitihi. Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Trini, inhale, hand head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, right leg, inhale, hands up. Asto, exhale. Nava, inhale. Dasa, exhale. Ekadasa, left, inhale, hands up. Dwadasa, exhale. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, jump. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, hands up. Samastitihi. Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Trini, inhale, hand head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, right leg, inhale, hands up. Asto, exhale. Nava, inhale. Dasa, exhale. Ekadasa, left, inhale, hands up. Dwadasa, exhale. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, jump. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, hands up. Samastitihi. Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Trini, inhale, hand head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, right leg, inhale, hands up. Asto, exhale. Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa left, inhale hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasha exhale. One, two, three, four, five. Panchadasha inhale jump, Shodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale hands up, Samastitihi. Last one. Ekam inhale, Dvi exhale, Trini inhale head up, Chatwari jump back, Pancha inhale, set, exhale, Satta right leg inhale hands up, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, Ekadasa left inhale hands up, Dwadasa exhale, Trayodasha inhale, Chaturdasha exhale. Breathe. One, two, three, four, five. Panchadasha jump inhale, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale hands up, Samastiti. Padangusthasana. Ekam inhale, hold your toe, big toe, Doi exhale, one, two, three, four, five. Trihini inhale, exhale hold, Padahastasana, inhale ekam, Dvi exhale, neck straight, length your spine, one, two, three, four, five. Trini inhale, exhale, Samastiti. Stand up, close your feet. Uttita Trikonasana, 3 feet only. Ekam inhale, right leg back, Dvi exhale, hold your right big toe, Hastagra Drishti, look your upper hand, one, two, 3 4 5 त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, left side, हस्ताग्र दृष्टि 1 2 3 4 5 पंचा inhale, B, द्वि exhale, left hand, cross your right ankle, look your right hand, 1 2 3 4 5 त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, 1 2 3 4 5 पंचा inhale, समस्थिति, उत्थित पार्श्वकोणासन, एकम right leg back, inhale, द्वि exhale, behind, look your left palms, look your left palms, 1 back side leg strong, 2 3 4 5 त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि left side exhale, 1 2 3 4 5 पंचा inhale, B, द्वि exhale, left elbow, cross your right knee, one 2 3 4 5 त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, 1 2 3 4 5 पंचा inhale, समस्थिति, प्रसरित पदुत्थानासन A, एकम inhale, द्वि exhale, Inhale, head up. 3 knee, exhale, head center. Elbow parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, head up. Exhale. Pancha, inhale, relax. B. Ekam, inhale, hand shoulder level. Come starting position. Dve, exhale. Again inhale. 3 knee, exhale, head center. Top your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, stand up. Exhale. C. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, interlock behind. Again inhale. 3 knee, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale, exhale. D. Inhale, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, hold your toe. Inhale, head up. 3 knee, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari, inhale up, head up. Exhale. Pancha, inhale. Samasthiti. Parsha Uttanasana. Ekam, hand back, prayer pose. Reverse. Dve, exhale. Touch nose and forehead. If you can, touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 knee, inhale. Left side, Chatwari, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha, inhale. Samasthiti. Pasasana. Ekam, inhale. Raise your hand. Dve, exhale. 3 knee, inhale, head up. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Pasasana, Sapta, jump. forward, bend your knee. Right arms around your knee, twist to the left, grab hand behind your back. One, two, three, 4, 5. Exhale, sit down center. Asto, inhale, left arm around your knee, twist to the right, grab hands behind your back. One, two, three, 4, 5. Exhale, sit down center. Nava, leg lift up. Dasa, exhale, Chatwari. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Kroncha Asana, Saptajam. Inhale, grab the left foot, look up. Exhale, chin to the shin bone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, inhale, look up, spine straight. Exhale, Dasa, inhale up. Ekadasa, Chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, left side. Toes point, grab the right foot, look up. Panchadasa, exhale, touch your chin, look your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale, look up. Exhale, Saptadasha, inhale up. Astodasha, Chatwari. Eko Nava Vimsati, inhale. Vimsati, exhale. Salvasana, Chatwari, exhale. Feet together, palm beside your hip. Pancha, inhale, lift your head and leg. Look your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Sat, inhale, look your nose. 1, 2, lift your head. 3, 4, 5. Sapta, inhale. Asto, exhale. Veka Asana, Chatwari, exhale. Lift the feet off the floor. Pancha, inhale. Grab feet, turn to the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Set. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sapta. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Dhanurasana. Chatwari. Exhale down. Lift the feet toward the floor. Grab your ankle, heel together. Pancha. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Set. Inhale up. Sapta. Exhale. Parsva Dhanurasana. Chatwari. Exhale down. Open the chest, lift the knee into Dhanurasana. Pancha. Inhale. Set. Exhale. Roll into the right side. Parsva Dhanurasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta. Inhale, roll back into Dhanurasana. Asto. Exhale, roll into the left side. 1, 2, 3. Urdhva Drishti. 4, 5. Nava. Inhale, roll back toward the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Dasa. Inhale. Ekadasa. Exhale. Ustra Asana. Sapta. Jump. Exhale, lower down into your knee position. Inhale. Asto. Exhale, let your arms hang, grab the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava. Inhale, hands on your waist, come up. Exhale. Dasha. Inhale up. Ekadasa. Chatwari. Dwadasa. Inhale. Trayodasha. Exhale. Lagu Vajrasana. Sapta. Jump. Exhale, lower down into your knee position. Inhale, place hand on your back. Asto. Exhale, let your hand side down. Slowly touch your head to ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava. Inhale, come up, hand on your waist. Exhale. Dasa. Lift up, balancing. Ekadasa. Chatwari. Dwadasha. Inhale. Trayodasha. Exhale. Kaput Asana A. Sapta. Jump. Exhale. Inhale, place hand on your chest, prayer pose. Asto. Exhale, let the hand hang down over the top of the head. Grab your heel. You can take time. Hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kapotasana B, Nava. 1, inhale, strength. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale, come up, hand on your waist, exhale. Ekadasha, lift up. Dvadasha, Chatvari. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Supta Vajrasana, Sapta Jam. Asto, exhale, prepare. Cross your leg in lotus position. Cross your elbow, catch your toe. Here you will need the assistance of another yogi to hold your knee down into the floor. You can take help. Inhale. Nava, exhale. 5 breath, hold down. First time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Third time. Inhale. Up. Slowly exhale. 4th time. Inhale. Last one more time. Exhale. 5 breathing. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale. Exhale. Ekadasha, up. Dvadasha, Chatvari, jump back. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Bakasana, Sapta. Exhale. Asto, inhale, rise. Place knee on your upper arms close to the armpit. 1, straight arms. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, Chatvari. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. B, Sapta Jam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, inhale up. Nava, Chatvari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Bharadwajasana, Sapta Jam. Place your left leg on the floor outside your left hip. Place right foot in lotus position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now up, cross your leg. Dasa Chaturanga. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Triyodasha, jump. Place your right leg on the floor outside. On your right hip, place the left foot, this time lotus position. One. Turn back. 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale up. Shodasha Chatwari. Saptadasha, inhale. Astadasha, exhale. Ardha Matsyendrasana, Saptajam. Bend your left leg, Asto. Place right foot on the floor outside your left knee. One, 2. Bring left arms over the right knee, turn far to the right. 3, 4, 5. Now inhale up, cross your leg. Dasa Chatwari. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Triyodasha, jump forward, straight leg. Chaturdasha, bend your right leg. Bring your right arms over your knee. Turn far to the left. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha up. Shodasha Chatwari. Saptadasha, inhale. Astodasha, exhale. Ekpada Sirsasana, Sapta, jump, sit down. Take your hand, Asto, exhale, bend forward. Touch your chin. 1, look your toe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, sit up again. Bring hand together, front of heart. Dasa, inhale up. Ekadasha Chatwari. Dwadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, left side, sit down. Bring left leg over the left arms. Place the foot behind the head up. Inhale. Panchadasha, exhale, bend forward, take both hands around the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 5. Shodasha, inhale, sit up again. Exhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astadasha, Chatwari, jump back. Ekanam Sadi, inhale. Vimsadahi, exhale. Dvipada Sirsasana, Saptajam, exhale. Bring your both legs behind your arms, cross ankle. Close your hands like prayer pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Asto, inhale up. Hands on the floor. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, Titivasana. Exhale, Bakasana. Inhale, lift up, balance. Dasa, exhale, Chatwari. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Yoga Nidra Asana, Sapta, jump through, lay down. Asto, prepare, inhale. Lift both legs. Exhale, bring left foot first, then right foot behind the head. Breathe. 1, 2, look your eye center. 3, 4, 5. Nava Chakrasana, roll back, lift up. Exhale, Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Titiv Asana, Saptajam, straight knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, exhale, Titivasana B. Take back your hand, straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. Nava, inhale, walk. 5 step forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now please come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D. Close your heel. Grab your hands backside. Straight knee. Lift your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interlock finger well. 5. Dasa, inhale up like Titivasana A. Ekadasha, Bakasana position. Inhale, look up. Dwadasha, exhale, Chatwari, jump back. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Pincha Mayurasana, Saptajam. Exhale. Place forearms parallel toward each other on the ground. Asto, inhale, lift up your leg. Pincha Mayurasana, 5 breathe. Gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Navajam back. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Karandava Asana. Sattajam, jump forward, balancing on straight arms. Exhale, place forearms parallel toward each other on the ground. Asto, inhale. Lift up your leg. Once again, Pincha Mayurasana. Fold leg in a lotus position and lower your knee toward. Nava, exhale. Come down. 5 breathe. Gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, inhale up. Roll up all the way against into Pancha Mayurasana. Gaze your nose. Ekadasha, jump back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dvadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, jump. Panchadasha, exhale. Samastiti. Mayurasana. Ekam, inhale, look up. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha Mayurasana. To the body, balance the weight evenly on your elbow. Pancha, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Asto, jump forward. Nava, exhale, take your head deep between the arms. Samastiti. Nakrasana. Ekam, inhale, raise your arms. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha, jump forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set, inhale. Sapta, exhale. Asto, jump forward. Nava, exhale. Samastiti. Vatayanasana. Ekam, inhale, right leg, half lotus. Lock with right hand. Dvi, exhale, both hands down to ground. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatvari, jump back. Don't drop your body. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Lower down, left foot point out, right knee next to the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Asto up. Nava, Chatvari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Change your leg, please. Use your right hand. Dwadasa, jump again. Opposite side. Now this time lower down, right foot point out, left knee next to the right foot. Take left arms. 1. Go higher as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Trayodasa, lift into balance up. Chaturdasa, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Panchadasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shodasha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Saptadasha, jump. Astadasha, exhale. Take back your hand. Get your toe. Ekonam Sadi, inhale. Exhale. Vimsadi, inhale. Samastiti. Parighashana. Ekam, inhale. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Extended left leg wide to the side. Well, inhale, hand to the west, straight back. Then take left hand to the right knee. Asto, exhale, left hand grab the inside of the left foot. 5, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sit up, hand to west, exhale. Dasa, lift up. Ekadasa, Chatvari. Dvadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, jump, left side. Inhale, opposite side. Panchadasha, exhale. Right hand grab the inside of the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale, sit up, hand to west again. Exhale, place hand. Saptadasha, inhale. Astodasa, Chatvari. Eko, Nava, Vimsadi, inhale. Vimsadi, exhale. Gomukhasana. Sapta, jump, knee straight. Asto, exhale. Bend both legs, take right knee over the left close heel under your buttock. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asto, exhale. Gomukhasana B. Nava, inhale. Take right arms up, left arms down. Grab hands behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Place hand on the floor. Dasa, inhale up. Ekadasa Chatvari. Dvadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, jump left side. Exhale, sit down. Inhale, straight leg. Once again bend, come to Gomukhasana. Panchadasha, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale. Take left hand up, right arms down. Grab hand behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shodasha, inhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Ashtadasha, exhale. Ekonava Vimsadi, inhale. Vimsadi, exhale. Supta Urdha Pada Vajrasana. Sapta Jantru, lay down. Asto, inhale, both leg lift. Exhale, right foot in lotus position. Take right hand behind your back, grab the right foot. Exhale, roll up. Nava, inhale, balance on your buttock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa Chatvari. Dvadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, jump. Sit, exhale. Lay down. Panchadasha, inhale. Lift your both leg. Exhale. Now this time left foot lotus position. Take left hand behind your back. Shodasha, inhale, roll up. Exhale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Saptadasha, inhale up. Astodasha Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekanava Vimsadi Adho Svanasana. Vimsadi, exhale. Adho Svanasana. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana A. Sapta. Asto, inhale. Lift straight your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, exhale, Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana B. Saptajam. Asto, inhale. Toes point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava Chatvari, jump back. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, inhale. C, Sapta. Jump, exhale, knee down, set up your arms in place. Asto, inhale, lift straight leg. One, two, elbow straight. 3, 4, 5, Nava Chatwari. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddha Hasta Sirsasana A. Sapta, jump forward, balancing straight arms. Interlock your finger. Asto, inhale. Lift leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Nava Chatwari. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddha Hasta Sirsasana B. Sapta, jump. Asto, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift hip. 5, Nava Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddha Hasta Sirsasana C. Sapta, jump. Forearms. Asto, inhale. Lift your leg. One, 2, toes point. 3, 4, 5, Nava, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Baddha Hasta Sirsasana D. Elbow balance. Asto, inhale. Lift straight leg. 5, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Nava Chatwari, jump back. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Urdhva Dhanurasana, Sapta, jump. Lay down. Asto, prepare. Bend your knee, hand back under your shoulder. Nava, inhale, rise. Head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale. Walk hand forward. Come again. Up. Nava, inhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale, little in more. Hands enter. Again come. Last one. 1. 2. Knee little close, come parallel. 3. 4. 5. Dasa up. Inhale, stand up. If you cannot, you can lay down. Samastiti. Drop back. Prayer position. Go back, inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, slowly come prayer pose, Samastiti. Second time. Inhale, go back. Exhale, elbow straight, drop hand. Inhale up, come to prayer pose, Samastiti. Now last one, steady yourself. If it possible, drop hand. If you can, directly go near ankle, closer or lock, catch. Inhale, exhale. Any position as far as you can place. 5, breathe. One, 2, little knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Dasa, inhale, come to prayer position. Palm on your waist. Exhale, Samastiti. Paschimottanasana. Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. 4, Chaturanga Dandasana. 5, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 7, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Paschimottanasana. 7, jump through, leg straight forward. 8, catch your wrist. Exhale, fold in, drop your chest, drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relaxing your breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, head up. Exhale. Dasa, lift up. Ekadasa, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasha, inhale. Triyodasha, exhale. Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Salamba Sarvangasana. 7, jump through. Exhale, lay down flat. Asto, inhale, lift your leg, shoulder strand. 1, gaze your toe. 2, 3, 4, don't move your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halasana. Asto exhale. Lower your leg to point it. 1. Interlock your finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lift your hip. 7, palm together. 8. Karna Pidasana. Asto exhale. Bend your knees, cover your ear, closer. Hand position same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nava Urdhva Padmasana. Lift your leg straight. Hold it into a lotus. Resting your knee, palms on your hands. 1. Spine straight, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Nava exhale, lower down, knee beside your ear. Catch your wrist or catch your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matsyasana. Nava exhale, down your spine, drop your hip, lift your chest, support your elbow, head back, catch your toe, keep your arms straight. 1, 2, kiss your nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thane Padasana. Nava inhale. Extend your leg. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Dasa Chakrasana. Leg behind your head, rolling back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale. Dwadasha exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, prepare headstand for Sirsasana. Headstand. Asto, inhale, lift up your leg, get your leg to point. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 90-degree half bend. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasa, inhale, rise. Slowly exhale, come down. No fast. Silently toe, relax. Knee down, sit on your heel. Child pose few seconds. Ekadasa Chatwari, jump back. Dwadasha inhale. Trayodasha exhale. Baddha Padmasana Sapta, sit down. Asto Baddha Padmasana, take a lotus pose. Right hands catch your right toe, left hand catch your left toe. Nava. Exhale, Yoga Mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasha, inhale. Take your both hands, place on your knee. Now center. Look, chin down. 1, 2, 3. Breathing normal. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. Inhale, rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Exhale. Dasa up. Ekadasa Chatvari, jump back. Dwadasha, inhale. The Prayodasha, exhale. Inhale. Jump through. Samastiti. Now prepare your closing mantra. Om Swasti Prajabhyah परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Lay down, support your elbow, relax completely. Thank you for your practice. Keep practicing, guys. See you soon with another lesson. Take care. Namaste.